Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SUNEQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But on that note, and I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just an absolutely monster day here. Sure, the price did pull back here a little bit, so there's a little bit of perspective into this, meaning what do I mean? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within, 2.8 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, the overall perspective, then there's plenty of opportunity for the bulls to put in that overall higher base. And that's the name of the game, again, from the big picture. So let's first do a little bit of house cleaning here. After the big move, it's made some of these lines irrelevant. Sure, they still pertain, but like I said, given where the price is right now, and from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the past videos, hopefully you remember me talking about 20 cents as resistance. But now that the price is broken up above it and is still well up above it, 20 cents is that ideal level of support going forward. Meaning, hey, Clay, what's going to make this chart look the best going forward? If the price can stay up above 20 cents, that by far is going to make the overall chart look, the best. From a very broad scope of things, keep an eye on that purple line right there. That is the 50-period simple moving average. And really the easiest way to look at that is, in my opinion at least, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. So that's kind of a very black and white way to look at kind of the health of the move. What do I mean by the move? Well, this thing right here. As long as this move stays up above that purple line, then, as far as I'm concerned, bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. Now, what about levels of resistance? So if this price is going to get back up in that 34-cent region, where are some of these hurdles that the bulls are going to have to cross? Initial area of resistance. Initial hurdle, whatever you want to talk about it, right there at 26 cents. After 26 cents, next key one up at that point, and that sits at 30. And that makes it easy. So 26 cents, 30 cents, two initial ones. After the price gets through those, then you can start talking about, retesting highs and all that good stuff. But one step at a time, couple bridges first need to be crossed. Again, first bridge, 26 cents. Next bridge up there at 30 cents. All in all, though, great day. And as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows like it's been doing, the long-term chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.